Okay, here's my last attempt at this. I've done three. Uh, I have only done something during one. The second attempt was fiddling around with OBS. What I'm doing is I'm making a channel so you can watch me make a game. Well, I mean you, I mean myself. I don't expect viewers. I don't expect people to watch this for fun. This sounds like an ASMR. It's just 'cause I'm at my grandparents', I need to be quiet. My microphone sucks. My setup is a laptop and the mic I use for gaming, and when I'm any loud on it, it sounds like I'm in like Xbox 360 primary COD. Right now, I got it to sound nice. I got my thing to show my full screen. You can see the types of games I play, slots and downers, Counter-Strike 2, Slashers Keep, Terraria with that one mod, White Knuckle, Slay the Spire, Geek. The only one of these I play religiously is White Knuckle in Counter-Strike. I am making a game. I mainly play on PS5, but this game is good and I'm gonna make it good. All I've done is created a room, a sprite, my main character. I'm gonna make it so that main character can move um, when he can. The game I'm trying to make is called Last Party. Last Party is hopefully gonna be some roguelike type thing where you run away from a bomb or defuse bombs. Um, I want to make references when I start making other characters and rooms and make him jump and move. And maybe it'll be a speed game. Maybe it even won't. I just might make him move around and fight people or bombs or terrorists. His name is Cyclops. He's not even human. I don't know where I'm at or what I'm doing, but that's the rough draft. That's what we're trying. As you can see, he's right here. This is Cyclops. Let me get him on full screen. I've been using Maker. If if 10 people see any of the videos of me making this game, which will probably be up to like 100, and me silently watching a tutorial in a corner about how to code and then typing that code in. I just figured out coding is math. I'm not good at math. My only tutorials have been how to get Game Maker and how to make your character move. You will watch me fumble around this code for the first time ever. Originally, I was gonna do the one where you click and drag commands and like speak them in, but I heard the one on Playmaker sucks, so I'm just gonna code and just learn how to do that. Coding is trash, stupid, and hard, and this bugs me. Now I can't hear myself. I was doing that to make sure my mic quality was good, but now that I know it's alright. I am sick. I am sick. I have a stutter, and this will not be fun to watch. One day, when I'm hopefully making games off just memory and stop watching codes, I will be good at this, but I'm not. Right now, when I hit run, this is what happens. Nothing. It's a gray background. I mean, good stuff, right? I don't even know if my sprite is on the room. Oh, he is. Is he on the background layer? No, he's on instance. let's try. Hopefully, all I know is how to make him just float around with WASD. We're gonna do A and D, and hopefully make W a jump of some type and give him gravity, because I believe you could put properties on him. And hopefully we are going to make it so you can see him moving around on screen. These are very big hopes. These probably won't happen, and I don't know everything or what I'm doing, but for add event, I'm going to do cleanup event, or not cleanup, step. Step seems like what I'm doing. I'm probably gonna watch the tutorial on how to make this work. But let's say step. What did the dude do? I might have to pull up the tutorial and watch it again. I forgot his name. It's like Dragonite. Dragonite Spam. Dragonite Spam. He does D&D stuff, but only people like that are the only people who would ever probably teach some chud how to code. What did he do? He did, what was it like? I don't even know what I'm typing. Keyboard check. Keyboard check. This function. What? What did that say? Argument will be, what should the, let's do D. D. Oh, it needs to be uppercase, I'm pretty sure. D. Ooh. Let me look it up again.
One last thing before I go. You might have noticed when
Oh, I need to make it movement. So this is just the keyboard. Checking if I click D. We need to do VAR. There you. Oh, and this. So does everything need to be uppercase? No. VAR. Move. Move and collide. Move and bounce. Move, bounce. Move, contact, move. Let's just do movement. Movement. Where's my underscore? Wrong. Underscore. What movement's gonna? Let's do X. X. Oh, we could do X left and right. Or we could do the if. Let's do it the long way. Okay, so the big if is alright, can I do multiple of these? I can. Okay, this helps lower my panic, right? I'm freaking out. I lost all my info from Scratch, but Scratch doesn't really apply here. So we're pretty much starting from scratch. A joke that every coder in their goddamn life made, I think. I hope. Or maybe I'm just stupid. Um, I feel like I'm giving off vibes of that one guy who like was cooking and everything went wrong and he'd just be yapping. Oh, it was such a good video. I'm pretty sure Joe Bartolozzi watched it. I love Joe Bartolozzi. He's my favorite of all time. That and like Moist Critical. I watch body cam reaction videos to go to sleep at night. And then other than that, I watch some dude with the little demon sprite. He's a bit cringy, but he's funny. And he cusses a lot, which is weird. Every time I watch him, I feel like Red Cape Mark. Cussing doesn't make you cool, but he uh he helps me get through the day by reviewing trashy FNAF remakes one day. I'm pretty sure the thing that I was looking up programs to use to make a first game, and the thing that's used to make FNAF is like super expensive, like hyper rip out your balls expensive. So sorry, something to my left keeps clicking, and I'm paranoid. Uh, I'm a I'm a paranoid or whatever that's called. I don't know. My doctor's probably lying to me. Bastards out to get me. I promise you. Uh, uh, oh God. Uh, I wonder if I'll blow up. Probably not, because that's like 1%, but this is like, this is my like overcoming stuff thing, right? Like it's summer, you know? This is like me like getting out of bed, that and going to the gym every morning for like an hour with my grandpa. We go to the only gym we have around here, Planet Fitness. I know, peak. And as you can tell, I'm not some grown old man, so bit awkward for me, but what can you do, you know? 10 naked old men in the bathroom, walk past them. 90% of the time I ignore them anyways. But it's a Planet Fitness, you know, what do you expect? I gotta stop yapping and learn the code. If big, what does this even mean? .io game maker gm filter block 1.1 or 1.0.0. I know it goes off of ones and zeros, but it's like, God, I need keywords. Can we not go die? I should probably put like caps lock on. Nah. Yes. I should put caps locks on there. There's like barely anything that needs like no, whatever. We'll just hit shift a bunch. Uh keyboard. Keyboard check. Slash key? No, just keyboard check. And then the key will be I'm pretty sure he did VJ? No. Then why did I type two things? VK. Oh, there we go. There we did it. VK underscore underscore. What do you want to do? Underscore. I'm pretty sure it's just VK underscore. And then we do you have to do is it one or two equal sign? It's one. Or no, it's two. And then I make it true or false. Keyboard check VK, true or false. VK, no, I have to put a direction in. VK, right. Okay, there we go. We're learning. So now we got VK, right, equals true. Now that it's true, we gotta do this thing. Nope, that's wrong. Shift this, that's correct. There's weird parentheses, they mean something else. If we do that, then I can do enter. Uh, let's say X for true. But should I put it to how do I put it to like a button? Uh, okay, what did he do to put it to a button? Because this is just X. Uh, I don't even think I'm supposed to do VK, dude. Like, check, keyboard check, if keyboard check on. This is wrong. Oh, no, I remember. Uh, where is it? Oop, board. Oh, string. I believe ord makes it. Yep, ord string, capital D. Now pressing D makes something happen. If I press D, X, X, X. Shut up, get out of my face. X, X. Do I do? No, mouse makes it so. Okay, this is, X plus equal. Let's do, I'm pretty sure this is the speed of it now, like 4 pixels. 4 pixels. When we go 4 pixels, I want this to be, and now I just kind of got a DMine. Control C, to below it, Control V. Let's make this, I believe this is right or left on the x-axis. Let's make that a minus. That means hitting, oh wait, this is hitting the, let's make it so hitting A. Oh, it has to be uppercase. Shift A. A should make you go left. Sorry, I hit run. I want to run my game now. Errors. Is this code not it yet? I want to run the game, normal game. Malform if statement. Don't know what that means. Uh, why can't I run it? What is my output telling me? Damn. I don't know what that means. Uh, um, uh, building, nothing. Line, okay. Yep, this means absolutely nothing. I'm gonna watch the tutorial in a sec. Now, okay, so we have, left and right 4. Now what if flippin', uh, what if, damn, um, oh my god, I have no clue what I'm doing. I am also hopefully going to make TikToks. Because I heard that could get my content out there. Oh, you're gonna see my embarrassing moments when coding. Um, this is just the worst. Oh my goodness gracious, this is something, this would be a long TikTok. What does that even mean? Get that, get, yo, okay, I don't know what these mean, I just clicked these, I should probably not click them. I want it to use physics. What about physics? Oh, this looks nice. Modify collision shape. Oh, what is this? Collision shape. Nope, that's a good collision shape. Solid square. Maybe I should make it like a no, because then you'd have a cooked hit back here. Yeah, I'm good. Any friction, collision, friction 0. I messed with this before. Variable definition. Name. Okay, we're good. Add. Variable name. Variable set default type real. What does real mean? Integer string asset color. We're good. We're good on this. Parent. No option. I don't know what that means. Density collision. Okay, I know that we'll add weight, I believe, over here. No, in room maybe. Okay. Say we put you here. This is bugging me. How do I run? Hold on, let me watch this tutorial a bit. Where does he run it?
Y, and if I just run this without doing anything else, this object is not going to follow the mouse cursor around the screen. All right, so that's progress. We have interactivity, which is one of the games from like most other types of
So wait, is step like wrong?
media. All right. So dk underscore up, dk underscore left. We'll move upper, and if I run this, and if I hold down the right key on the arrow keys, our little guy is going to not follow the mouse cursor, but it is going to move to the right. It won't move.
I think I know what I'm doing wrong.
Down because I haven't told it to do that yet. And if I
I haven't
wanted to do those
made
things,
it actually perform it.
say if keyboard check vk underscore left equals true, then we can say x minus equals 2, and that's going to have to move to the left. And the same thing
Oh,
for
crap.
down. So
This might be it. This might be it. Damn. Uh, um, uh, is that wrong? Oh, I need to add that little, this? Yes. This. He said you didn't need to add it sometimes, but that's important. His space is in between them.
I'm going to want to say y minus equals 2, vk underscore down is going to be y plus equals 2. And now if I run the game, I'm going to be able to the right, move to the left, move up, and move down. If you're visualizing like a coordinate system on the screen in your head, you might think up and down is a little bit backwards from what you might have learned in math class. So you probably learned in math class that the coordinate system is going to have the 0, 0 origin in the bottom left of your graph paper, and therefore moving up on the y-axis is going to move you like to the top of the page. It's actually reversed in computers most of the time. And
For who?
like the English language is read from left to right from top to bottom. So the 0, 0 origin point
This ain't even why.
is going to be in the top left instead of in the bottom left. And therefore, if you move up
I want,
on the y-axis, that actually means keyboard movement.
90% of my videos will be this, by the way. The guy I'm watching, I should probably credit him for the one guy that's watching this for a tutorial, even though you shouldn't. The tutorial is, I already said it was a Dragonite spam. It's Dragon ITE spam, like the food, no spaces. Just a little dragon with a wizard hat. He does random videos, I don't know.
VK underscore down minus keyboard check VK underscore up. And instead of doing all this, they might say something like x plus equals movement x and y plus equals movement y. And this will work. It looks kind of ridiculous. The reason
Check ord.
and this will allow me to move around using the using WASD instead of
His work. What I need to do. Random ad.
you need to download it manually.
I'm on Joe. And some furry ad popped up when I paused. That's nice. That is amazing. Oh, is there something it wants? Oh. 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 Okay, okay. This might be it. This might be it. I might get my character to move. Did I just write a line of code? Nothing. What? Oh my god.
And this will allow me to move around using the up can be
equal true. Need a space. Or maybe I need var movement. Maybe I need this bit at the top. I need to check left and right. Maybe I need that bit at the top. Do what this guy is doing. Movement. I'm sorry, I'm stressed. Underscore X, X, X equal keyboard check, keyboard check, keyboard check. VK, VK underscore. Oh, I don't have any like good keyboard binds. I don't know the comp for coding. Right. That seems to be alright. Still negative, negative, negative. And then I need to do keyboard check. Negative. And then keyboard. Or actually, why don't I just, maybe I don't need, do I need the var? No, just keyboard check. Yeah, I just need a keyboard check again. Need this. I've only taken one graphic design test. I don't know how to code, and I've done Scratch. Uh, the, oh, and we got left, and then we need to do that little thing. Left. We need to do the little. Nope. Yes. Then we can. I need to put this all into a folder when I'm done making the game and just like the left and right movement, just like file it so I could just. You know what? Why am I being a child? I could just. No, no, I'm gonna make a cheat sheet. Control C, down V, but instead of X, we want Y, and instead of this, we want down and up. Down. Okay, I'm bad at typing. I did that typing thing that younger people do where you do it with one finger at a time. I don't do that little, like I can't do that. I didn't play the typing game enough when I was in elementary school. I was a lazy child. But I'm pretty sure that's like fundamental of coding, don't get the hardworking guy to do it, he'll do it the long way. Get the laziest guy to do the hardest task. He'll figure out a quicker way, that type of thing. So now that we have this, nothing. Okay. As you can see, I am gas at this. Did I do anything wrong? No, it's 1 for 1 right now. Just looks like I'm stupid. Uh, board B and A for true. Is there? Oh, this doesn't have a thing. The true needs to be in this. What am I doing? C, delete, Control V. That's wrong. I don't know if there's like a number of spaces that should be there. Now what if I run? Nothing. Um, oh my god, it's infinite little mistakes I'm never gonna catch. Uh, all of X. Why would I do a Y? You know what? Whatever. What if I delete the Y? Well, let me copy it first, just in case, because I'll bring it back if that's not the problem. And then what if I delete you? And then try and there's no game. Okay, are these the problem lines? Do I need to fix these? What does that even mean? Parentheses, Cyclops event. Cyclops event. 13, 14, and 15 are. Is it because this isn't. Is it because this isn't like a before this? No, is that what it wants? Now it's all in 13. So 13 is wrong. 13 is wrong. It needs to be. Looks word for word. Um, a. So we got DNA. The parentheses. Maybe it's the wrong way of, maybe it's the wrong type of parentheses. Maybe I'm gonna type in the normal one. No, because then it'd say 14, 15, 16, right? Step at site objective expected. Malformed assignment. This is malformed. Oh, it wants this and this. Is that enough? Line 13 got plus equals expected or no shit you got plus equals dumbass. Okay. Line we got expected. What does that mean? What do you want from me? Line 13 got this is wrong. It expects or maybe it expected nothing. Did it expect nothing?
So for moving to the right, I would want the A key. Check moving to the left. Up can be W, and down can be S. And this will allow me to.
I don't think they're all connected. So what if I do, we're gonna minus these and oh, you need to fix this. This will be, let's put these back to normal. You got that.
Can be moving to the right. I would want the A key.
Or wait, function, keyboard key, constant, virtual key or real.boot. With this function, you can check to see if the key is held down or not, unlike the keyboard check pressed. Keyboard check release. Keyboard for release. This function trigger with every step key held down for. So every time the keyboard, the check, okay, every time the key D is held down, that's true. Then that means X, value X is horizontal, pressured in the pixels. The value could be either be 0, negative, where the 0 is the left hand, either plus X, moving right X, moving left decrease. A negative value for X means the X has gone outside the left side of the room. Okay, so we have X, and then, okay, it teaches you a bit, thankfully. 4. Does it teach me about 4? No. Teach me about this? No. No. True? No. Okay, it doesn't teach me. So,
Check moving to the left. Up can be W, as down can be S. And this will allow me to move around using the
so the error is 13, 14, 15. Malformed assignment. What does that mean? What does this mean? Cyclops stepped on event step line 13 malformed. Why is it malformed? Oh, maybe it needs to be like that. Nope, still wrong. Big. So he has. Uh, we have the thing. We have the minus. We have the keyword check. Constant virtual key. So it checks for a constant virtual key. The constant virtual key would be D. D underscore. Okay, wait. So I am completely. Wait, there would be. Says. It says. Or his thing is set up with an. If this is the problem, I'm going to try. He is an extra little one. Right there. I wonder if that's the problem. Oh, oh, he is gravity. Yeah. Okay, so that was the problem. I think, is that a room problem? I can't room physics. I put a Y gravity. Is there a way to make the enable? Hold on, let's disable physics. I can't move up or down, but he can move. He can move. Oh, he's going. Oh, he's going. Oh, he's going, and he's gone. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I did it. A equals left. I'm actually crying. This took an hour. And we're looking at the same tutorial like 30 times in front of you. I don't know what any of these lines mean. Okay, we need I want to add physics. Hold on. So wait, what if I move him up here? Uh, and then I go to, and then what if I go to, how do I go back to normal? Oh, room physics, enable. And then what if I run it again? Will he just fall while going left and right? Oh, and you can't even move left and right. I think there's no gravity. Gravity's 10. What if I do, 1? If I do 1 on both? Oh, he's moving to the right. Oh, he's moving. Oh, there he goes. Um, okay, so what if we enable physics but have zero gravity? He can't move left or right. Uh, okay. Let's not add physics. Camera, viewport, enable viewport, viewport. Viewport can go away. We're gonna editor. Let me edit. Okay, yeah, we're in editor. Level one. Start. Want to do that. This is start. So now that we have our little guy done, that was my first draft of him. He's gone now. He doesn't exist. Layers, Christian viewport, room physics. We don't want to enable physics because physics, for some reason, makes the game stop working. When I have last party open, and now he can't move. Don't know why. Maybe I have what? Spin physics. Oh, I wasn't pressing A and D. I was pressing the two here. So what if I? There he goes. Okay, we should probably add like a floor. Or I'll just add a background level sprite. Okay, so now that I have left and right, I want to add gravity. So up to do a jump step. The dude said step was like the constant if I want something to constantly be available, but let's. I know just fiddling around with code over it. We got blast, dude. This is Blast Party. This is my game. This is my entire game. You move Cyclops left to right. There's actually a billion lore. It's actually based off the Odyssey and the Cyclops being trapped back where his grandparents were, right? So now he's in a hole guarded by a magical circle or some crap. And he needs to wait for Hades to come get him out. But now that you're waiting for Hades to come get you out, this is what you're doing in the hole. And your grandparents aren't even there. They're not even back in the hole. They're all dead. All the uh all the giants. You're Poseidon's son, and your friend got his eye poked out by nobody. What an idiot, right? How does he get his eye poked out by nobody? But now this is the game. This is the entire game. You wait. There's no timer. You have no clue when he's coming, and I'm not gonna code him coming. So wait as long as you want. $30 on Steam. Oof. I can't wait to go to a different engine that lets me publish stuff for free. I'm just kidding. I wonder how much you have to. How much does it cost to publish your game on Game Maker? I'm looking it up. I'm gonna use voice to text. How much does it cost to publish your game if your game was made on Game Maker? $0 to $100. Damn. So I keep 100% of what I make. Free tier zero, completely free to export your game to desktop, Windows, Mac, Linux, mobile, Android, iOS, and web. And provide your game 100% non-commercial, no ads, no ad purchase, and zero price tag. Professional license. Oh my god. A one-time fee of $100 to if you plan to monetize your game, sell it, include ads, or use some microtransactions on desktop, mobile, or web. This is a lifetime license, so if I pay $100, I could sell any game, or is it just one game? Enterprise subscription. Oh my god, it's a subscription. $79.99 a month or $799 a year. Work hard if you want to export your game to console like Nintendo Switch, PlayStation, or Xbox, regardless of whether the game is free or paid. Storefront platform fees. If Even if your game maker license is sorted, the platform you choose to publish on usually charges their own entry fees. So like on itch.io it's free. Steam $100 per game. And no wonder people pump out free games, bro. Oh my god. Valve charges $100 fee to list a game through Steam Direct. This fee is refunded to you once your game makes $1,000 in gross revenue. Oh, so it's just 100 that goes back to you if you make $1,000 worth of revenue. Don't know what that even means. Is that like 1,000 people click on your game? What is gross revenue? How do I Google Play Store? $25 one-time fee. A one-time registration fee to create a Google developer account. No. Apple Store, $99 a year. Console 0 to 1,000. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, this game might never go. Oh wait, it's not. It was free. Well, if I ever make this game, you know where it's going. I ain't spending $100 to do shit. Yo. Yo, you can catch my nuts if you think I'm paying $100 to get this game off of Game Maker and then to get it on to Steam. $200 to release that level of gameplay? Yo, I better get 1 billion viewers doing this shit. Uh, oh my god. Yo, well, I need to pay $100 to get it off this platform if I plan to do, and that's forever. So the next game I make, it'll only be $100 to get it on Steam. I mean, Steam is what I use. The only time I ever used .io is for what is it? The only time I ever used itch was to get that one game where you sit there for hours looking at planets and aliens come and kill you. Voices of the Void. Voices of the Void. Gas. But it's for those of slow pace. Very slow, very slow boring. Yeah, I love sitting there watching nothing. Okay, so we're not we're not doing that. Now the question is, how do I make a floor? Do I have to code my room? Or do I have to code... Hold on, let's stop game. What does cleanup do? Okay. If I clean it and start it, does it erase everything? No. It probably just cleans the output. It's not so overwhelming. Bug? What's my bug? Can I bug test? Is it bugged? Is my game bugged? Nope, doesn't look bugged. Okay, we're good. Looks like we debugged. Alright, so how do we get weight? I think the big one. We make them dense. I don't know what that means. Linear damping and angular friction. I don't want friction. What is friction? Let's just have this motherfucker slide in. Uh, God damn, I'm good. So now we know kind of. Oh, that's not. Okay, okay. I'm stupid. Okay, okay, we're good. Uh, so this is nice. we got, okay, what can I add? Key down, key pressed, key up, gestures, collision, alarm, draw. What does draw even mean? What does he mean? What does it mean? No, I'm already panicked. Let's make an up command. No, I don't want to do that because I'm probably gonna have to delete it. You know what? This video has gone on long and I've done one thing, so you can see my level of production. Uh, I'm gonna stop the recording. I've been recording for, god damn, an hour. Okay, this is gonna be a 1 minute TikTok of me being happy. So, okay, hour of ranting, hour of ranting. I feel like I've done good. So, let's just put this up. You're probably not even gonna watch the whole thing, so what does it matter? Hey, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit that like button. Uh, uh, I don't, uh, goodbye.